Yo, what's going on, guys? It's been a while since I made a video. I think it's been like 2 months, but just wasn't feeling motivated to make videos. Didn't have any content, but today I just want to take the camera out, go for a ride, go to my favorite twisty road here that's like 10 minutes from the house, and just enjoy the day, enjoy the ride, talk to you guys. Thank you for all the subscribers. I'm at like 566 right now. I appreciate all you guys, appreciate all the comments and the likes. But today we're just gonna enjoy the day. I mean, the weather is perfect for riding. Perfect for riding with gear on. It's like 80 degrees, but the wind feels cool. It's just amazing right now. But anyways, man, I missed the ZX6R. That bike was perfect. I mean, I think most of my subscribers subscribed for that bike, and just gotta say, if you're looking into a ZX6R, definitely get it, man. That bike is perfect. I mean, compared to the R6 that I rode, or I rode two. I rode a 2018 and a 2020, but I loved the ZX6R way more. It was just more comfortable. You have power throughout the whole rev range. Had a quick shifter. And that's all from factory too. Had a fuel gauge. Man, that bike was perfect. I only owned it for not even a week. I think I bought it on a Thursday and then I crashed it on a Monday or Tuesday. So I didn't even like get to really enjoy that thing. It wasn't even broken in. But in the future, hopefully I'll get one. But since I claimed it on my insurance, any quote that I get, I gotta put in that I have been in an accident. So that raises my insurance rate up. Insurance was like $180, and then anything I quote is like $224 now for a ZX6R because of the crash. So maybe I shouldn't have claimed it. Maybe I should have just kept the bike and fixed it myself. But at least I get to start over. So I don't think I'll be getting another ZX6R for a while. Just because it's just too expensive for me right now. Insurance is too much. But at least I have the R3. I get to ride something at least. But I just miss the power of the ZX6R, and I miss the sound. That 4-cylinder sound is just so nice, so clean sounding. But when you have that 4-cylinder whine, oh man, it's so nice. If the R3 had the 4-cylinder sound, I think I would be content, because this bike is fun, like just dipping into corners. Like you really don't even have to think about like leaning. It just leans on its own. Just look and it'll lean. But if this R3 had the 4-cylinder sound, I would be content. It's just that sound is so addicting. So we're gonna take it easy on these back roads. It's getting darker. Gotta watch out for deer. but anytime on the bike is a good time. So all of you that are thinking about getting the ZX6R, dude, definitely do it. That bike is amazing. It's comfortable, the power is amazing, it looks sexy as hell, has a quick shifter, it has a fuel gauge. Just pull the trigger and do it. In my opinion, it's the best 600 for the streets. If you're gonna do mostly track, then I would go with the R6. Got another lake right there, or a pond. Ooh, warm up these tires a little bit. Man, I don't even know what I would do if a deer just like jumped out. I would try to like punch it. I love this road. But all these trees now and the grass, it's hard to see if there's like deer or bear. Oh shit, there's a bunch of deer over there. Gotta take it easy. But I got this car behind me. Maybe I should let the car pass. But the R3 is still fun. Still a motorcycle. Still has two wheels. It's just the sound, man. I miss the sound. The sound of the ZX6R is so sexy. It's a lot more green than last time. My worst fear is if a car comes out of these corners, but they take the corner wide and then they end up hitting me. That's my worst fear on these roads. This road is so nice. It's really dark over here and I have the tinted windshield on. Run it back one more time. Trying to get better at leaning and corner entry. lane position. This is the perfect road to practice. Gotta keep my eyes peeled for the deer. These freaking deer are suicidal over here. They wait till you come close and then they run out into the street. I would take it a little harder, but I'm just worried about the deer and oncoming cars because the road is so tight. I'm scared that somebody's gonna take a wide turn. Because I do not want to crash again. That's one thing I gotta practice is emergency braking, because in the crash I panicked and I just grabbed the brake, and the ZX6R brakes are so sensitive, like you barely touch it and it's braking. So I gotta practice the emergency braking. Like, just say if something jumped out in front of me or a car got in my lane and I need to stop really quick, you don't want to just grab the brake. You want to progressively brake harder. So that's something I should practice. If you guys are thinking about getting an R3, maybe it's your first bike, it is a solid choice. I mean, even now, after owning it for a year, it's still, I love jumping on it. It's just so easy to ride, very forgiving. I mean, at first, when I first rode the bike, it's all scary. You think the bike is heavy. You feel like the throttle is sensitive, but it's not really. But this bike has plenty of power. Super fun on these back roads. I mean, you're gonna want to upgrade or get a second bike like I did. But I don't see myself selling this thing. I mean, it's my first bike, nothing wrong with it. Plenty of power, comfortable. It looks sexy too. So an R3 for a first bike is a solid choice too. Try a little wheelie. Woo! Just a little pop. Man, the weather today is perfect. I was feeling lazy too. I was like, I should go for a ride, record a video. But in the back of my mind, I'm like, nah, it's getting dark. You shouldn't ride. Just relax. But I didn't let my thoughts get to me. And I was just like, I just gotta get on the bike. And once I'm on the bike, I'll be good. Gotta go out and ride. Before you know it, it's gonna be winter time again. So any nice day like this, you gotta ride. Now I'm stuck behind this Corolla. So I guess I'll end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already. Please like the video, leave a comment. Any video suggestions, leave me a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.